Welcome back at 9:47. STEM NOLA helps our local students learn about science and engineering through a hands-on approach with experiments you can do yourself. They're joining us this morning to show us a very large Newton's Cradle. It may look simple. Look at this guy right here. But these swinging spheres teach us a very important lesson about physics, momentum, and energy. We want to welcome STEM NOLA staff member Adam Nunn and McMain student Takar Powell here to demonstrate. How y'all doing?
Good.
Hey, happy holidays. How was Thanksgiving? It was good?
Very
Yeah,
good.
the turkey didn't get you too bad, right? Yes, obviously here. All right, so Takar, you're going to explain to me what this is. So this is the Newton's Cradle, right? But a big one.
So basically, a Newton's Cradle is something that demonstrates the laws of motion.
Okay.
So what do you think will happen if I let go?
Well, I mean, if it's like a wrecking ball, right? So it's going to hit all these four right here. And because I've seen this before, I know it'll transfer the energy, right? All right, so let's watch it.
So right now, it's called potential energy because it's just by itself. But
Okay.
when I let it go, the energy flows through it. And now it's called kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy, potential. There's something. Why is that so soothing? Like it's
just
like,
one
you
of
know,
those things.
oh my gosh, you could just sit there and watch it do back and forth. All right, so you got two.
So what you think will happen now?
So it's going to do the same thing, and this one's going to come flying out, right?
We'll see.
Oh, two
now
go.
it's two.
Oh, wait. What if we do three?
What do you think will happen?
Let's see.
Well, there are not three left, so these two are going to go.
And
We'll see
then
what
what
happens.
you think?
All right.
All right, let's see it.
That middle one's going to keep moving.
It's gonna go
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So its energy transfers, and this is a great way to see it, because as that energy transfers, those three balls, that's the amount of potential turned kinetic energy, and as it continues to transfer, it needs to transfer three balls worth of energy, right?
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. All right, let's throw a curveball in here. Rob,
Okay.
could you do me a favor and
Yeah.
pull one of those back
Okay.
to the black?
Ooh, these
So
are heavy.
right now we have both at the same potential energy.
Okay.
What do you think is going to happen when we let them go?
Explosion.
All right, let's try.
All right.
1, 2.
Oh,
So
But what we're watching is the energy reflecting between the two.
going.
Absolutely, absolutely. All
let's
right.
try it again. Let's try it again
right.
and do it like right at the same time.
All right,
okay?
let's try.
All right, ready? I've got
Wait,
it.
are you going to do the countdown? I'll do the countdown.
You do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh,
Very
got
nice,
him.
very nice. All right.
All right, what you think about this, Takar? Is this
it's
helpful?
fun.
So STEM NOLA is a phenomenal organization. I know it helps me learn so much through all of these household items. Maybe you don't have a giant Newton's Cradle in your house, but you can rig something up if you want to try and test it out. But what's it been like for you to be able to, utilize some of these STEM projects in your own life?
Well, as a STEM fellow, I would say it's great for high schoolers, many high schoolers around the world, because not only does it help me like physically with learning new things, but it'll help me long term in the future as in going to college. I could say, oh, I've done this, or I've done this. And it could also be on a resume to help anyone.
Yeah, big time. I mean, you could be making tons of money in a few years because of your STEM field.
Yeah.
I understand that you also potentially could be presenting your project at the National STEM Fair. Tell me about your project.
Well, my project is called iFood, and it is a small little device what helps you to know if you're allergic to anything or to know if it's good or bad to put inside your body.
That sounds like it would be an incredibly important device to have.
100%.
And if you figure it all out and it's the real deal, and what I said earlier is definitely going to be true. You're going to be making a lot of money, all right? Hey, Adam, tell me a little bit about how, folks at home, a lot of them at home now because we've got school off.
Absolutely, yeah.
Looking for some fun stuff just like this to do.
Well, so Newton's Cradle is one of 60 to 70 stations we have at our STEM Fest, and we're going to have 4 STEM Fests around Orleans Parish, St. Charles Parish, all the surrounding parishes connected to Bridge to Innovation with the Super Bowl committee. So coming up this coming weekend on the 7th, we will be in St. John Parish with our gigantic Newton's Cradle, giving kids hands-on activities to do. So
that's awesome. All right, can we try one more? Can we try one more experiment?
Absolutely.
I'm curious what's going to happen if, all right, so we go, how about this? You let go of that. All right.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to drop this one and then the next one, and we're going to see what happens.
Chaos.
Chaos.
Love it.
Oh. Okay, we can sit here and play all day.
We might. We just might.
I'm going to get carried away. Well, Takara, thank you so much. And congratulations on all your great work, hard work. Shows what STEM can do for you.
That's what we're here for.
I'll sit here and watch this all day, y'all. All right, time now is 9:52.